Are her lungs clear when
Yeah.
she went in? Oh.
We'll get them in a minute. Hey, Flossie May. We'll help you. Hold on a minute.
Is that hers?
Yes, that's her basket. I'm not
Who
sitting
knows
on.
that is? Now what is this thing?
It's a blow-up punching bag.
Oh, boy.
I'll blow it up for you in a minute. Why don't you see what else is in your basket? And then we'll blow it up. Okay? Those are your punching gloves.
What punching gloves?
I'll show you in a minute. See what else is in your basket and then we'll... Sydney, what did you get?
Look what I got.
Sydney Bing, what's in your basket? Sydney, Sydney.
Well, your breakfast is ready when you look through.
Oh, I probably should have waited.
Mommy, what is this?
Yeah.
That is a rope cable thing because you always like to tie things up that you can hook onto things.
What do you do with it?
You can hook things up with it. Some cheddar bunnies.
What are those?
Just kind of like goldfish, but they're bunnies.
Can I see what's in there?
We will in a minute after breakfast.
Hey.
We got some M&Ms. We're not going to open those right now either. And some other candy.
My phone's in me.
Oh, don't take that stuff out. Leave that in there. What's the Easter Bunny good to you, Bennett?
Bennett, do you want a piece of sausage?
I don't know.
Well, we'll let you eat your egg and
Mommy,
toast.
I want sausage. Mommy, she got her own.
Oh, she got her own silverware. All right.
How did the Easter Bunny came in and Grandmommy's watch?
I don't know. He's magic.
Oh. Maybe he went through that door over there, and then he tiptoed down there and put it in her watch, then went out.
Maybe so.
I get this right.